Imagine a world where 1 in every 5 deaths is attributed to respiratory diseases. A world where the air we breathe is causing more harm than good. Shocking, isn't it? Well, that world is our reality. However, amidst this grim scenario, there's a glimmer of hope. Nature has provided us with remedies that can help cleanse our lungs and boost our respiratory health. Today we delve into the top 8 drinks that naturally detox and cleanse your lungs. First on our list is green tea. Packed with antioxidants, green tea aids in reducing inflammation in the lungs. A study published in the American Journal of Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine found that green tea contains a compound called EGCG that contributes to improved lung function. Next up is ginger water. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, ginger water helps in clearing the lungs' air passages. It even aids in improving circulation to this vital organ, promoting overall lung health. Third, we have peppermint tea. Did you know that peppermint isn't just for fresh breath? The menthol in peppermint tea can relax the muscles of the respiratory system, making it easier to breathe. Fourth is the humble lemon water. The vitamin C in lemon water helps boost the immune system and cleanse the lungs. Plus, it's a great way to start your day. Then we have turmeric milk, a traditional Indian drink. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This golden milk can help detoxify your lungs and fight off respiratory infections. Next is the beetroot and apple smoothie. This vibrant drink is high in lung-cleansing antioxidants. Apples contain a flavonoid called quercetin, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and beetroots are rich in nitrates that can improve lung function. The 7th drink on our list is oregano tea. Oregano contains carvacrol and rosmarinic acid, compounds that are beneficial for lung health. They work together to reduce inflammation and improve airflow to the lungs. And last but not least, we have pineapple juice. Bromelain, a compound found in pineapple, helps in breaking down mucus and clearing your respiratory tract. Now, aren't these drinks enticing? They're not just tasty, but they're also packed with health benefits, specifically for your lungs. So, why not give them a try? Start incorporating these drinks into your daily routine and feel the difference in your respiratory wellness. And hey, don't forget to share your experiences. Remember, the journey to better lung health starts with a single sip. So, cheers to a healthier you.